So hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Vahan. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, which is chapter number 7 of physics class 11, which is work, power and energy. So in this chapter we'll discuss about work, power and energy. And today's topic is work done by a constant force. So to understand this topic, firstly we need to understand what does it mean. Like for example, if I ask you that the whole day you are using a laptop for your work, for your assignment, for whatever reason, in the real time you are working a lot. Like for example, if you have used your laptop for 5 hours, so you have worked for 5 hours, but in the language of physics it is like zero, you haven't done any work. So in that, we discuss about work, power and energy. Today just we are doing the work, we are not discussing power and energy. We'll discuss in further videos. I will divided these all lectures in parts. So yeah, so first of all we need to understand the definition. Work done by a constant force, what does it mean? When a body covers displacement displacement with a force is called constant force. Work done by a constant force, you can write, I am just writing till here. So what does it mean? When a body covered displacement with a force, for example, if you have a car here, and the car the displacement of a car is forward, this is the displacement, and it is making an angle of on this side. Like for example, if someone is like putting pulling from this side, so it will be the F, so this direction, and this will be the theta angle. So you can see that if someone is applying the force from here, so the displacement will be covered from here, and it is proven. I cannot show you right now, but I have proved that when you pull anything from this side, then the displacement will be covered to the x direction. This will called F cos theta, this will called F sin theta. Okay, now we are talking about some basic things. Like for example, work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity, means it's a dot product. And if you talk about the units, so W is equal to, we know, mg. M means mass, and G means gravity, means a force, so it will be Newton meter. Okay, Newton meter is equal to joules, it will be J. And if we talk about the units in other system, so in FPS system we have foot dot pounds. In CGS system we have erg, W is equal to erg. So these are the formula units in other system. If you talk about the formula, so what is the formula for work? W is equal to F dot D cos theta. Now what does it mean? I know that you have learned these all things in previous chapters, but you need to make the focus on that. For example, if I am just pulling anything from here, and I'm applying the force, and the displacement is covering from this side, so we'll multiply both of them, and we have got an angle as well. So that's why F dot D, F multiplied by D, and it's a dot product, that's why we are putting the dot here, and cos theta because it's making an angle. And if we remove this dot, so it will be like, sorry, this dot will not come right now, F D cos theta. If we just remove cos theta, so it will become F dot D. So this is the formula. Now if we talk about the angles are very important in this chapter, because without angle you cannot find anything in this chapter, in this topic. So we have three angles, as you know. Theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 90, theta is equal to 180. We know that in 0 the angle is 1, the angle is 0, no, the angle is 1, which will be maximum. In 90 the angle is 0, which will be minimum, and we are talking about cos theta, not sin theta or whatever. and in 180 we have negative. And today we'll discuss all the angles step by step, so please stay tuned for that. First angle we have angle equals 0 degree, which is equals to 1. This will happen when both of the force and displacement will be in same direction. For example, means both will be the parallel. This is the displacement, this is the force. Here as you can see, their direction are the same, so that work will be the 0. Okay, the angle between them is 0 and work is maximum if they are parallel to each other. Let me write the definition here. If they are parallel to each other. All right, now we have second angle, which is angle equals 90 equals 0. This means that the body, like covering body doing minimum work. For example, if let me make here right angle first. This is displacement, this is force, and this is an angle of 90 degree. Now what can be the example of this? For example, you are holding a bag. This is you. For example, this is you, and you are holding a bag here, and you are walking towards this direction. And after some points, after 5 meters, you pull the bag upside, and now the bag is here. Means you pulled up the bag to the upside, and you are still walking on the front, you are still going. Means you have created the right angle triangle. Sorry, not a triangle, right angle. This means that in this work, the work is minimum. In this condition, the work is minimum. You are here and you have a bag here, and you are walking continuously, you are not stopping, and after 5 meters you pull the bag upside. So that means you are creating a 90-degree angle. The third and last angle that we have is 180 degree, which is equals to -1, which is negative. Now this means that the force and displacements are both opposites. This is displacement, this is force. For example, if you are in a lift, for example this is a lift, and you are here, all right, and you are going upside, and you are going on the top floor. And as you know that when we go upside, the gravitational pull attracts us downwards, means downwards. So there will be the force, and that will be the displacement. So this is what we call work done by a constant force. So these all are the constant force. I hope you understand all the things, all the concepts of that. In the next videos we'll discuss all the topics of this topic. I've divided this series in the parts, so don't worry about it. Thank you.